Welcome to the future of car manufacturing. This is Tesla's Gigafactory, one of the most advanced automotive factories on Earth. Here, cutting-edge technology and automation work together to build electric vehicles for a new era. Every Tesla starts its journey inside these massive facilities, where precision meets innovation. It all begins with raw materials. High-grade aluminum, steel, and electronic components arrive at the factory every day. Each part is carefully inspected to meet Tesla's strict quality standards. Only materials that pass inspection move forward into production. This is where the transformation really starts. Powerful robotic arms weld and shape the vehicle's body with incredible accuracy.
Once the body is complete, it moves into the paint shop. Advanced robots apply multiple layers of paint with perfect consistency. This process gives Tesla its signature finish while protecting the car from corrosion and wear. Every body is inspected before moving on to the next stage. At the core of every Tesla is its battery and electric motor. Thousands of battery cells are assembled into a single, high-capacity battery pack. The battery and motors are installed underneath the vehicle, creating a low center of gravity. This design delivers long-range, fast acceleration, and smooth performance. Next, the interior comes together. Seats, dashboards, touchscreens, and wiring are installed with extreme care. Tesla's minimalist interior is designed for comfort, technology, and ease. As the vehicle reaches final assembly, everything is tested. Each Tesla goes through detailed quality inspections and performance checks. Advanced scanners and skilled technicians examine every component. Only vehicles that meet Tesla's standards are cleared for delivery. And now, the journey is complete. Brand new Tesla vehicles are ready to leave the factory and hit the road. Built with innovation, powered by electricity, and designed for the future. This is how a Tesla is made. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at Tesla, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech content like this.